So, hi everyone. Just look at this question. Read the question first. A student is unable to see clearly the words written on the blackboard, placed at a distance of approximately 3 meters from him. Name the defect of vision of the boy is suffering from. State the possible cause of this defect and explain the method of correcting it. So, you can check that he is not able to see the blackboard which is 3 meter from him. It means that he is not able to see far object because 3 meter is not a small distance. Yeah. So the fact is like he can see clearly nearby object, but he is not able to see far object. So defect is myopia. So defect name is myopia. So what is this defect like myopia? I think you all are familiar. So in case of myopia, like you can see that this is the lines that is coming from the far object. Parallel lines. They are coming like this. But these rays are going to converge before the retina. So converging power of the lens increases. That's why image is formed in front of the retina. So blurred image. You will see the objects which is very far blurred. Okay, it is not clearly visible. But if you place the same object at its far point, what is far point of this eye? Up to that point he can see clearly. That is a far point, but we can say its far point is shifted. Okay, if you place a object at far point, then it is going to converge at retina. He can see clearly. It means converging power increase means focal length. What you can say? Focal length decrease. Power is what? Power is inversely to the focal length. If converging power increase, then focal length decrease. So we can say decrease in focal length. This is because object is at infinity. The image will be at focus. This is focal length. So you can check earlier it is this when image is formed into the retina. Focal length is this. You can say decrease in focal length, or you can say length of eyeball increase. We can say distance between the retina and the eyeball increase. Now, how to rectify this? Since converging power increase, so we have to decrease the converging power. Then how we can decrease? With the help of concave lens. Concave lens. Why we are using concave lens? Because concave lens has is of which nature? Diverging nature. Diverging nature. It is not converging. So we have to reduce the converging power. That's why we are using concave lens. So when you put a concave lens in front of convex lens, then what is going to happen? Just look at this. Light is coming from the far object. So this concave lens is forming a virtual image at its far point. So for our lens, which is inside our eye, the it looks like for him like it looks like light is coming from the far object, far point. Okay, light is coming from the far point and it is clearly focused at the retina. That's why you are looking. The image is formed on the retina when you wear the contact lens. Okay, it means like specs. So what they're asking like state the possible cause of this defect. So you can write increase in cause. So cause, somebody is asking cause. So you can write the cause also, right? You can write increase in the length of the eyeball. Increase in the length of eyeball. In the length of eyeball. Eyeball. Clear? Second cause I'm writing here. Decrease in focal length means increase in converging power. Decrease in focal length. Clear? Clear it means like this. Clear. Now what we're asking, explain the method of correcting. Simple. We can correct this with the help of correction. You can draw these diagrams which I have drawn on the left. 3 mark question now. So we can correct it with the help of concave lens. So we can correct it with the help of concave lens. Clear? So I hope this doubt is clear because you have to write in proper way. Draw this diagram, all these diagrams, okay? Then after this you can write in short. Okay, then it is sufficient. So still you have doubt, like you can ask me anytime, okay? So thank you so much. Thanks a lot.